Hey, I thought it would be fun to do a desserty vegan shake together. I've posted this recipe on Instagram before and a lot of you were making it and had some questions about it too, so I thought we could just go through it and make it together. So the only two things that you have to prep before making the smoothie, that maybe the night before, is your bananas and your nut milk cubes. If you don't know, the best way to freeze your bananas is to use ripe bananas, and that means that there's going to be spots on the peel. And this is good for proper digestion and for the best texture of your smoothies. If you don't use ripe bananas, your smoothies are going to turn out chalky. This is almond milk, and we're just filling up our ice cube trays. We have these specifically for the nut milks that we use for our smoothies, and I just make it in bulk. And we also do coconut milk, nut milk, sometimes, no, I guess we don't really use soy, just mostly coconut milk and nut milk. So yeah, we're gonna make a chocolate peanut butter mood smoothie. This is the coconut one. See how creamy they are? They're gonna create really good texture, but personally I think that overpowers the flavor of a lot of smoothies, so we're gonna even it out by using half of these and then half of the almond ones, which are these ones. You can tell they're not as creamy as the other ones. And then this is coconut sugar, which is really good because it doesn't spike your index level, and it's got minerals in it, so it's a better sugar choice. And these are our frozen bananas that we prepped the night before. And if I had Cocoa Samoa, I'd use that, but we're just gonna use some vegan chocolate chips. And so yeah, we're just gonna pop it all in. And the way to get a really thick smoothie or an ice cream is to use little to no liquid at all. If you have a good powered blender, that really helps, or a good food processor. Vitamix is one that I've used for many years. I've had a couple different models, and even the cheapest one is going to give you that texture that you want. And you can buy one refurbished as well. And so it's definitely a great investment, I would say. And so yeah, we're gonna put everything in, some vanilla for some extra flavor. The coconut sugar gives a bit of a toffee caramel taste. The peanut butter gives it that creamy peanut butter taste, obviously. And this is gonna be amazing. This is the middle stage. You just wanna blend and mash until it starts getting smooth and creamy and that ice cream texture like you like. This is a little thinner than usual because we're doing a smoothie. This is just a mixture, just a fun topping or bottoming, and it's just crushed macadamias with some vegan chocolate and some coconut. And so yeah, that's it. You just put it in a jar and it's just a great dessert. It's healthy and it's fun and everyone in the family loves it. So yeah, let me know if you try it and hope you like it. All right, bye.